How to use bleach for a weed killer. Weeds are enough to make any gardener want to throw up their hands and say I quit, but don't give up just yet, because help is on the way. Bleach, an old standby, has become popular in the gardening scene as an efficient, inexpensive way to kill weeds. Things you will need: bleach, water, spray bottle, rubber gloves. Put on the rubber gloves. Pour 1 cup of water into a spray bottle. Add 1 cup of bleach. Shake well. Spray the weeds with the bleach solution. Because this solution will kill anything green, don't splash it on any plants you want to keep. Tips: warnings. For weeds that are harder to kill, pour bleach on them straight from the bottle. Never mix bleach with other household cleaners such as ammonia, as this can cause toxic fumes. When working with bleach, wear gloves and work in a well-ventilated area. Avoid getting bleach on your skin,